I wish things could be easier. Why do they have to be problems in life? Why can't life be perfect? Why can't I be perfect? Okay, I have had enough of the sneezing. I'm going to call the doctor. Doctor.
I believe you called for a doctor.
Yes, I did.
I'm Dr. Becker. How can I help you?
I've got a real problem. I just can't stop. Achoo! Sneezing.
I see. Open wide and say ah. It appears that you're allergic to sheep.
How did you know that so fast?
Well, this is a short musical, so I work quickly. Besides, I heard your mom say earlier.
So what can I do?
Absolutely nothing. You're just going to have to live with it unless you want to stick around for another 1,000 years or so when allergy shots are infected. What?
Oh, never mind. So I guess that means I'm going to be out of a job soon.
I suppose. Sorry.
Suddenly a miracle happened. Above that little field, the sky was filled with a beautiful light and angels. One of the angels spoke.
Do not be afraid. I bring good news of great joy that will be for all the people in the city of David. You shall Jesus Christ the Lord. You shall find the big wrapping, swaddling clothes, and laying them in it.
So the shepherds in the field hurried to Bethlehem to see Jesus.